welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a journey into the future, exploring some of the most ambitious and groundbreaking mega projects currently under construction around the globe. These marvels of engineering and human ingenuity are set to reshape our world. Let's dive in. First up, we travel to Saudi Arabia, home to one of the most talked about projects, NEOM, and within it, the Line. This isn't just a new city, it's a revolution in urban living. Stretching 170 kilometers, the Line is a linear city designed for millions of residents, with no cars, no streets, and zero carbon emissions. 2 parallel, mirrored skyscrapers will house the entire city, creating a unique, vertically layered community. Powered entirely by renewable energy and driven by artificial intelligence, the Line aims to be a blueprint for a sustainable future. Next, we head to Southeast Asia, where Indonesia is building its new capital city, Nusantara. Located on the island of Borneo, Nusantara is designed to be a green, smart, and inclusive metropolis. The move from the sinking and congested Jakarta is a monumental undertaking. The new capital will prioritize public transport, feature lush green spaces, and be built with sustainable materials. It's a bold step towards creating a city that lives in harmony with nature. Our third stop brings us back to Saudi Arabia, to the King Salman International Airport in Riyadh. This project is set to become the largest airport in the world. With 6 parallel runways and a design that integrates cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices, it aims to handle 120 million passengers by 2030. This airport is not just about size. It's about creating a seamless and futuristic travel experience. Then, there's the Gulf Railway, a massive infrastructure project connecting all 6 Gulf Cooperation Council member states. This 2,177-kilometer railway will link Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Oman, boosting trade, tourism, and regional integration. Imagine traveling seamlessly by train across the Arabian Peninsula. This project will make it a reality. Finally, we turn to China's Xidaobei nuclear power plant. This next-generation nuclear facility features the world's first 4th-generation high-temperature gas-cooled reactor. It's a significant step forward in nuclear technology, promising safer, more efficient, and cleaner energy. This project highlights the global push towards advanced and sustainable energy solutions. These are just a few of the incredible mega projects that will define our future. From futuristic cities to groundbreaking energy solutions, the world is on the cusp of a new era of innovation. Which of these projects excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.